In this video, I will introduce you some basic formatting operations in Excel. Here I have a table of a list of employees. Following, I will guide you the ways to reformat the table to make it easier to look at. First, I will perform changing the font for this table. You select the data area of the table. Then on the Home tab, you can change the font size and align lines. For the font, I choose Calibri. Font size 16. And choose Align both top and bottom. I will perform center alignment for the table header. Click on the letter B or Ctrl+B to bold. And I will fill the background color for this header part with blue. Next, I will perform center alignment for the order and age columns. You hold the Ctrl key and click on the columns to select. Then click on the center align icon. Finally, to create borders for the table, you select the data area of the table. On the border icon, you select more borders. Choose the border style you want in the line section. Then click on the border section in the border section. Next, press the button OK. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.